Namaskar. Let's to start the next variation of Kapalbhati Pranayam. That is also is very simple. When you are habitual from first to seconds, then you are able to follow the third variation of Kapalbhati Pranayam. So Kapalbhati Pranayam that make your whole entire system of the body very clean. For detoxification, one of the easiest method in yoga, that is a Kapalbhati Pranayam. Kapalbhati Pranayam is a part of the Shatkarma, 6 internal cleansing process. This is also the part. So through by this Kapalbhati Pranayama, you can clean whole entire system of the body. You will be very healthier, very young, very sharp your mind, very concentrated and more clarity, more things will become positive way. So let's to start this third type of the Kapalabhati Pranayam. How you will do? You have to apply there the seed mantra. Which seed mantra is connected from your Sahasrara chakra, from your crown chakra. So what is the seed mantra of Kapalabhati Pranayam? When you are doing exhalation, mentally you have to chant hum, H-U-M, hum, hum. That is a Kapal Randhra. To make open your Kapal Randhra, open your 1000 petals. So navel to the crown chakra, very simple. If people are having difficulties to move their belly easily way, so when they are doing exhalation, they have to remember that thing. They have to do forcefully way exhalation, not forcefully way inhalation. Exhalation should go forcefully way, but not inhalation should go forcefully way. What will be the inhalation? Inhalation should go in natural manner. So let's start this breathing exercise. Or hand like that way, or like that way. So we can start. Or if we like to do the very clear this breathing exercise, you can put your thumb in the point of navel region. Hum, hum. Mentally, when you exhale, H-U-M, hum. Because breath has its own sound, you have to cut that own sound. You have to apply your own Bij mantra of Kapalabhati Pranayama. Hum, hum, hum. Each exhalation time, hum, hum. What will be the inhalation? Inhalation should go natural manner. Your attention and concentration always has to be for the exhalation time and forcefully the exhalation. Last exhalation time, hum. It is a seed mantra of Kapalabhati Pranayam. 2 types of the breathing exercise, Sagarbha, Nigarbha. Sagarbha means seed. When you put the seed in the clay, then you can produce a plant. If you don't put the seed is a mantra. You can't get the complete benefit. So what we are doing around the world, we are doing the Nigarbha Pranayama just for the external body. And then after this practice, 2 days, 3 days, you are getting healthier and then, finish that benefit. To store this benefit for the long terms, to make your body and mind very happy and very healthy. Mind will control from your pranayama, through by your pranayama. So this is the easiest way, hum Bij mantra, to control your brain system. Last exhalation, hum and Jnana Mudra. And try to meditate on your third eye center. Benefit I told you in 2 variation. So same benefit you will get it. And this same benefit you have to just add there more additional benefit. You are able to open your crown chakra. You have a more sensitive power. You have a more ability to intuition power to connect from the other people. You have a positive aura. If some negative people is coming near to you, your positive energy can influence to other people also. So in this way your chakra also get activated. So Namaskar, I am ending here this pranayam, Kapalabhati Pranayam. Har Har Mahadev.